Well, greetings. We're here at the 57 acres the county owns back at Sechrist School in the Center for the Arts, where the county has been engaged in some really important wildland urban interface restoration work and thinning work to make these areas of our community safer, better adapted to handle fire should they come. And we have Jay Smith, the Forest Restoration Director, with us here. Jay, tell us how this project is going. Are we on track, and what are the outcomes you're seeing here?
Yeah, so this is a project where we partnered with the Greater Flagstaff Forest Partnership, and we have been working about a week and a half here. We're about 50% done. HDI, which is local contractors, doing the work, and we're thinning this to about an average of 80 basal area to try to help reduce the risk of wildfire getting into the crown. And we're doing a great job out here. They're working hard and getting this work done, and we're seeing a lot of progress. So we expect them to be here maybe another couple weeks to get all the logs moved out and the slash to be ground up and moved out also.
And that threat of catastrophic fire is the #1 public safety issue that we at the county deal with. And this is just, the latest of a long list of work the county is engaged in to make sure our communities are resilient and can handle appropriate fire on the ground out here. So appreciate your support of this work, the great work that Jay's doing and the county's doing to make our communities safer, to make our forests more functional and better equipped to have fire play the role it is supposed to play in the northern Arizona ecosystem.